students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will learn English grammar. Do you know? English grammar is so important for we all. We learn how to make sentences. We learn how to use helping verbs correctly. And in this way, we are able to use correct English language. Let's start English grammar.
सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, जब हम वर्ब्स का यूज़ करते हैं तो वो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग किया जाता है। तो कैसे हम एग्री करते हैं, आइए रीड करते हैं। लेट्स क्रैक। लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड टेक द करेक्ट सेंटेंसेस। पिक्चर को देखना है और जो करेक्ट सेंटेंस है उसको आप टिक करेंगे। नाउ जो फर्स्ट पिक्चर है उसमें देखिए क्या शो किया गया है, सन को शो किया गया है। तो द सन इज वेरी बिग, द सन आर वेरी बिग। तो सन एक है ना, तो क्या आएगा, इज। द सन इज, यहां आप टिक कर देंगे, द सन इज वेरी बिग। सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई इज अ पोस्टमैन, आई एम अ पोस्टमैन। तो आप यहां आई के साथ एम का यूज करेंगे, आई एम अ पोस्टमैन। We am good friends, we are good friends। तो क्या आएगा, we are good friends। It is 7 o'clock, it am 7 o'clock। तो it is 7 o'clock। You are a good player, you is a good player। तो you are a good player। What can you say about the sentences you have not ticked? जिनको टिक नहीं किया, आप क्या कहेंगे उनके बारे में? Always remember that the verb of a sentence must agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject always takes a singular verb and a plural subject always takes a plural verb। अगर subject singular होगा तो singular verb form हम use करेंगे, अगर plural होगा तो plural verb form हम choose करेंगे। Let us understand this with forms of have and be। अब have और be की फॉर्म हम कैसे यूज करते हैं देखिए। Subject, forms of have, forms of be and examples। Singular nouns and pronouns, has, had, is, was। अब sentence, Raghav has a pet, she had a pet, Sanya is a doctor, it was Sunday yesterday। तो subject के according use किया गया है। Next, plural nouns and pronouns। अगर plural है तो कैसे करेंगे, have, had, are, were, right? The boys have participated in the competition, they had performed well, the people are happy, they were happy। Now with I, have, had, am, was। I have a red bag, I had a blue shirt, I am in grade 4, I was sick yesterday। Now with you, have had, are, were। You have a pretty dress, you had my book, you are very kind, you were sick yesterday। Now practice and polish। Look at the sentences given below, tick correct the ones that are correct and cross the ones that are incorrect। अगर incorrect है तो आप cross करेंगे। Sentence 1, I am waiting for the bus, right। यहाँ आप right tick करेंगे। There is many children, no, there are many children in the park। तो इसी तरह से आपको जो 3rd से लेकर 6 तक sentences हैं उनको टिक करना है। She is waiting for her result, तो she are incorrect है। Next is she are coming home next, wrong। These mangoes is fresh, cross, wrong। Arun has never been to Mumbai, this is right। We have been friends for a long time, right। The dog are playing. No, the dog is playing with a ball. Now complete these sentences by choosing the correct option. आपको correct option को choose करना है और sentence को complete करना है. तो 1 to 6 आप ऐसे ही करेंगे. Complete this passage using the correct options from the bracket. अब आपको bracket से correct option को choose करके जो gaps हैं उनको complete करना है. The class was going to a beach. The students were very excited. The monitor and the 4 captains were given the task of taking care of the students. Ashwin and Manvi were going to build sand castles. Mayank was going to get them some shells to decorate the castles. A group of girls was planning to play volleyball. Now complete this passage about the Singh family with suitable forms of the verb given in the bracket. Bracket से आपको जो correct verb form है वो choose करनी है. The Singh family has 4 members. Mr. Singh is an author and he writes very well. Mrs. Singh is a journalist. The 2 children are fond of painting. The paintings are never the same. The family has a pet cat. Theirs was a happy family. Now correct the mistakes and rewrite the conversation. आपको mistakes को correct करके conversation को दोबारा से लिखना है, तो आप इसको लिखेंगे. दोनों ही speech को आपको correct करके दोबारा से लिखना है. Now rewrite these sentences correctly. अभी जो इनके सेंटेंस दिए हैं इनमें फिर वही हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स की गड़बड़ी होगी. जैसे सिंगुलर के साथ सिंगुलर, प्लूरल के साथ प्लूरल हमें लेना है, तो वो आपको चेक करके इसको दोबारा से लिखना है. Now fun corner. Listen to a poem on subject-verb agreement. Say it aloud when you listen to it the second time. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसको केयरफुली सुनना है. Subject-verb agreement के ऊपर ये poem है और फिर आपको दोबारा से इसको जोर से second time बोलना है. तो इसको आप करेंगे.
Now I hope you have understood how to use English grammar correctly. Now what do you have to do? You have to practice all the time.